In this video, we will cover using and storing the CR holding pin. In the event of a sudden loss of power to the printer, for example a power outage, and the printer is stopped in the middle of printing, you'll need to utilize the CR holding pin that came with the printer. Start by opening the lid of the printer and slowly moving the carriage by hand to the left as far as possible. In the event that the carriage is already in the leftmost position, the docked position, then you may proceed to the next step. Now that the carriage is in the docking position, to ensure they hard seal the caps of the print heads, we will want to retrieve our stored CR pin. The pin is stored with the short end first, so you'll need to turn it at an angle to remove it to get it out from underneath the side cover of the printer. Now take the pin and insert it short end first into the hole in the carriage arm. The pin will pass into the body of the printer, locking the carriage in place and keeping the print heads moist for as long as possible. Once the pin is inserted, it is recommended that you close the lid of the printer. This will minimize any dust and debris from entering into the printer. The pin will not allow the lid to be completely closed. To clarify, the pin prevents the lid from closing and someone from accidentally powering the unit while the pin is still in place by keeping the lid open just enough to keep the safety switch of the printer engaged, thus acting as a reminder for it to be removed. Once power is restored, raise the lid and remove the pin before turning the unit back on. Do not immediately power on the unit. You'll need to remove the pin first. Remove the pin by grabbing firmly and pulling it straight up. Please store the pin back in its holder position under the side cover. Insert the short end first. You can now fully close the lid. Lastly, you can power on the unit and allow it to perform any automated maintenance cycles as a result of being without power for an extended period of time. If you need additional support, please fill out our web form at brotherdtg.com/help for further assistance.